Marco Colbert, Spedico Finish Network. All right, guys. So we got Ben's relatively clean 9th gen Civic Si. We are doing a really small spot repair on it. It's up in the air. He might be keeping the car. He might be selling it. We're not sure, but we do have some potential possible buyers coming in to look at it. And we didn't just want like a really huge rust spot right on the quarter panel. Pretty much will turn away about half the people looking to buy the car. So we're masking it off. All right, we're gonna do a super small spot repair today. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna grind this out with some 40 grit. Tape the bumper up really good because we're not painting anything on the bumper. And then we're going to spot spray it and blend it into the rest of the quarter panel. I'm doing this video because I know a lot of my subscribers that watch this page, a lot of you guys can have stubborn repairs like this at home, and you might not have the ability to respray an entire panel. You might not have compressed air. This is a repair you can do start to finish with spray cans if you wanted to. So I'm gonna put the camera down, show you guys the process, and we're gonna get this thing knocked out.
One hour later.
So freaking low, I can't get the sheet in there.
The honors of Marco working on my car. Usually I'm the one doing this.
It's just video demonstrational purposes. I can't let you do everything. I don't want you to feel overloaded.
Can't let you have all the glory.
Well, it is my YouTube page. They do want to see me do some work. This isn't Ben's Native American car channel. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a little trick that I learned in auto body school. Now, my auto body teacher used to always tell us about how they used to spray entire cars with single stage before they did all the body work or even in between certain prep stages. So I actually grabbed some Spedicoat single stage white. We decided to use it as kind of like a ground coat over the primer just to kind of get the white back. But also what the single stage did is because it's thicker than base coat, it also helped fill our prep scratches. Now we're moving on to the base coat, and we're just putting on the factory base coat now. As you guys can see, it's darkening up a little bit. And that's just one little trick to help, you know, with prep scratches over really heavy sanding areas and primer spots. Alright guys, so there you have it. Super small, super cheap, super quick spot repair. Is it possible? Absolutely. I will definitely say those of you who watch the Silver Equinox job, definitely a lot better of a match than that Silver Equinox. We got the blend pretty nice. It was a pretty big blend. Usually the bigger your clear coat blend area, the more scarier it is. So I didn't lay the blender on there too heavy. You know, this stuff, I mean, if you lay it on too heavy, it'll run. If you lay it on too light, you'll still have some dry spots. So the whole key with that blender is finding that perfect happy medium to where it looks pretty wet and pretty smooth, but if you, like I said, if you overdo it, if you get a run in that clear coat blend area, that really thin spot, forget about it. You're sanding it, you're starting over, because there's not going to be, the material's going to be too thin in that blend zone. That material is going to be too thin to wet sand and buff. You're going to burn right through it. Overall, man, I think me and Ben, both of us combined, we had like what, 30 minutes in it? Probably about it's about a 30-minute repair for two seasoned auto body guys, you know. And there is a little haziness, as you guys can see right in there. But guess what? This takes about 10 seconds to do. Once this is dry tomorrow, you take the Speedocoat SMR 950 buffing compound and a microfiber rag by hand and just wipe it, and that little haziness will come right out. So very nice, quick repair. All right, so I hope this helps some of you guys out. Like, subscribe, new videos.